Today I'm going to show you how to enable tailored assistance in Grammarly step by step so you can get more personalized writing suggestions based on the way you work. This is a quick setting, but it can make a big difference if you want Grammarly to better understand your writing style and give you more relevant feedback. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the page loads, log into your Grammarly account using the email and password connected to your profile. If you're already signed in, you can simply move on to the next step. After you're inside your account, look for the account area. This is usually found in the lower left corner or in your profile menu, depending on the layout you see. Click on Account to open your account options. From there, go to Settings. This is where Grammarly keeps most of its customization controls, privacy options, and writing preferences. Inside Settings, look for a section called Feature Customization. This is the area where you can control which helpful features Grammarly uses for your account. Scroll through until you see the section labeled Tailored Assistance Features. This is the part we need for enabling more personalized support. Now find the Personalized Insights toggle. By default, this may be turned off, so Grammarly is giving you more general recommendations. To enable tailored assistance, simply switch the Personalized Insights toggle to On. Once it's enabled, Grammarly can provide more relevant writing guidance based on your account's feature settings. That's really all there is to it. With Personalized Insights turned on, Grammarly can tailor the experience a little more closely to your writing needs, which can help make suggestions feel more useful and relevant over time. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page or reopen Grammarly to make sure the setting is saved properly. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because I post more easy software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.